Hello everyone, welcome again. So this is the second part of books and author. As we have already discussed Western author and book in first part of the video. In this video we shall discuss Indian thinkers. So let's get started with the lesson. So the first thinker we have is Swami Vivekananda. His famous books are Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, My Master, Raja Yoga, Meditation and its Method, Kali the Mother, Bartaman Bharat. He established Ramakrishna Mission on 1st of May 1897. Took part in Dharma Sansad, also known as World Parliament on Religion, on 11th of September 1893. His birthday, which is on 12 January, is celebrated as National Youth Day. The next thinker we have is Rabindranath Tagore. His famous books are Gitanjali, Stray Birds, The Religion of Men, The Home of the World, Short Stories of Kabuliwala, The Post Office, Sadhana, The Realization of Life. Song Amar Sonar Bangla was also written by Rabindranath Tagore. The next thinker we have is M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation, and his famous books are Indian Opinion, The Story of My Experiment with Truth, Hind Swaraj, the Bhagavad Gita according to Gandhi, Trustship, Harijan, Young India, Satyagraha in South Africa. The next thinker we have Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His famous books are Gita Rahasya, The Orion, The Arctic Home of Vedas, Vedic Chronology and Vedant Jyotish. Established new English school in Pune. And he also started two newspapers which are Maratha and Kesari. Maratha was in English language and Kesari was in Marathi language. So these questions are also asked in exam. So kindly remember. Next thinker we have is Barani, Ziauddin Barani. His famous books are Fatwa-e-Jahangiri, Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi, Hasratnama, Salawat-e-Kabir, Sana-e-Muhamma, Masir-e-Sadat, Tarikh-e-Barmaki, Inayat-nama-e-Ilahi. The next thinker we have is Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. His famous books are The Life Divine, The Renaissance in India with a Defense of Indian Culture, Essay on Gita, The Synthesis of Yoga, New Lamps for All, The Human Cycle, The Ideal for Human Unity, War and Self-Determination, Karma Yogin, Bande Matram, Apas Ne, also known as No Compromise. Next thinker, Pandita Ramabai, and famous books are A Testimony, Yogage to England, The High Caste Hindu Woman, The Life of a Christ, Rise and Fall of the Aryan Race, Peoples of the United States, The Cry of Indian Women. The next thinker we have Sir Muhammad Iqbal, and the books are The Call of the Marching Bell, The Secret of the Self, The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam, The Development of Metaphysics in Persia, Zabur-e-Azam, Stray Reflection, Javed Nama. The next thinker we have Ramaswamy, and the famous books are Why Were Women Enslaved, Periyar on Buddhism, Thoughts of Periyar, Periyar on Islam. Next thinker we have M.N. Roy. The famous books are India in Transition, 1 Year of Non-Cooperation from Ahmedabad to Gaya, The Future of Indian Politics, Scientific Politics, Poverty or Plenty, The Problem of Freedom, Revolution and Counter-Revolution in China, Reason, Romanticism and Revolution, New Humanism, a Manifesto, Materialism, The Outline of Scientific Thought, The Philosophical Consequences of Modern Science, The Historical Role of Islam and an Essay on Islamic Culture. Next thinker we have Savarkar, and the famous books are The Indian War of Independence, Hindutva, who is a Hindu, Hindupat Shahi, My Transportation for Life, Six Glorious Epochs of Indian History, Hindu Rashtra Darshan. The next thinker we have B.R. Ambedkar. He founded Siddhartha College, and his famous books are Muk Nayak, The Problem of Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution, Bahishkarit Bharat, Janata, The Annihilation of the Caste, Federation versus Freedom, Thoughts on Pakistan or Partition of India, Who are Shudras, The Untouchables, Who are they and why they become untouchables, Riddles in Hinduism, Philosophy of Hinduism, Mr. Gandhi and Emancipation of Untouchable, Communal Deadlock, A New Way to Solve It, Ranade, Gandhi and Jinnah, What Congress and Gandhi Have into Untouchables, State and Minority, Gospel of Buddhism. He founded three parties which were Independent Labour Party, Scheduled Caste Federation, the Republican Party. Also, Ambedkar's autobiography book is known as Waiting for a Visa. And next thinker we have is Ram Manohar Lohia. Next thinker we have is Jawaharlal Nehru. His books are Discovery of India, Towards Freedom was his autobiography, Letters for a Nation, A Bunch of Old Letters, The Unity of India, Glimpses of World History, Words of Freedom, Ideas of a Nation. Next thinker we have Ram Manohar Lohia, Congress, Socialist Weekly, Aspects of Socialist Party, Equidistant Theory, Wheels of History, Marx, Gandhi and Socialism, Fragments of World Mind, Guilty Man of India's Partition, Hindu Baname Hindu. Next thinker we have is J.P. Narayan, and his famous books are Prison Diary, Why Socialism, India's Struggle for Freedom, My Picture of Socialism, Transforming the Polity, A Plea for Reconstruction of Indian Polity, Towards Total Revolution, Socialism, Sarvodaya and Democracy, Nation Building in India, From Socialism to Sarvodaya. Then next we have Deen Dayal Upadhyay. His famous books are The Two Plans, Devolution, A Great Fall, Integral Humanism, Samrat, Chandragupta Maurya, Akhand Bharat, Jan Sangh, Political Diary. Next thinker we have is Kautilya. His famous books are Arthashastra, it is also known as Niti Shastra. The next book, Agana Sutta, 27 Sutta of Digha Nikaya of Buddhism. Beside this, the other books are The Essay on Civil Disobedience by David Thoreau, Unto the Last by John Ruskin, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi by Louis Fisher, Mahatma vs. Gandhi by Dinkar Joshi, India After Gandhi, A History of World's Largest Democracy by Ramchandra Guha, Political Philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi by G.N. Dhawan, The Gandhian Way I Follow Mahatma Gandhi by J.B. Kripalani. Famous books of Bipin Chandra Pal are Indian Nationalism, The Spirit of Indian Nation, Nationality and Empire. So this all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.